Hello guys, I hope all are well. Welcome to PC Knowledge. Today we are going to see what is royalty-free image and why should we use royalty-free image. And I have already asked about royalty-free image from ChatGPT. He has given me some important information about royalty-free image. A royalty-free image means an image that you can legally use without paying a fee every time you use it. Let's break it down simply. Meaning of royalty-free, royalty and royalty-free. Royalty is a payment you make each time you use someone's creative work like music, photos or videos. Royalty-free, no repeated payments. You either pay once or get it free and then you can use it many times. As simple words, why do we use a royalty-free image? Is a copyrighted photo that you are allowed to use under certain conditions, usually for YouTube thumbnails, websites or blogs, advertisements, social media posts. You don't have to pay money every time you use it, as long as you follow the image's license rules like giving creative to the photography or if required. Some example, if you download a photo from Splash or Pixels, that photo is royalty free, meaning you can use it for free. You don't need to pay for photographer. You can edit it, crop, color, change, add text, but you can't sell or claim it as your own photo. That's not the right thing, okay? That's not a good thing. Other person's content you can use, you can't claim that one is yours. That's not the right thing, okay? Popular sites for royalty-free images on Splash, Pixels, Pixabay, FreePic. There are a lot of royalty-free images sites. I have created a list for all of you, and this is the list. I'll give you in the description. And okay, we need to see what is the examples already. We have seen why you use and why you will get the images, and I want to give you the example how you download which types of which types of image you want. You can download any kind of images already. That one, maybe I have charged the keyword coffee, nature landscape, GitHub. That's all kind of images you will get. You can use business. Which types of images you need? You just need to click search by your name. You will get tons of images in your. They will give you the lot of opportunity to. That one is you can't download. You can't download because they are paid premium version. You can download this one. Click, and he's the owner of this image. And, you can give them the credit. When you will click on the download free, they will give you the option. This is the credit area. I'm using free download manager, that's why the dialog box already open, and this is the credit. Just simply you click on this and keep it in a, I don't know, maybe you have a note. You can keep the note for everything. That's it. You just need to use this line for their credit, giving them credit. That's it. You already downloaded. See, already downloaded. Yeah. If you want to use more resolution, you have a lot of opportunity. This is the resolution. This is original. I think you will get the original one also. Download. See, This one is very high resolution image. See, see. That's it. Yeah, it's very high. I think it's very high, and you use it in your any project. All of the royalty-free images last time I have downloaded, maybe that's why. See, this one is not high resolution. You can see the difference, this one and this one. See, that's it. I think this is enough for you, and I have all of you got the idea why use royalty-free images. Royalty-free image will give you the freedom to continue your workflow in no need to stack for your work. You can continue your work, and that's a good beautiful thing, I think. Okay, that's all. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay happy, continue your work. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.